Hello everyone, my name is Bruno and I'm gonna be the teacher today to learn how to edit the content of eckertsander.com. As you may hear, I have a lovely French accent, but if you don't understand something, you just let me know and I'll make another tutorial. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is, when we are on the site, we want to log in, obviously. So to log in, we just copy this URL, open it in a new tab, and just add WP admin. It goes to the WordPress admin section. Here you enter the username and password you've been provided, and now you access the dashboard of WordPress, which is the administration section of your site. Now if you reload this page, now you're logged in, if you reload it, you see that you have this little black bar at the top. It corresponds to the fact that you are now logged in. Alright, so you can browse the sites as usual, except that now you can edit pages whenever you want. So let's say we want to update the mission and vision. We click on this page here, and we can just click here on edit page. And now you are back to the administration section of WordPress. So you can edit the page here very easily. You got two views in WordPress, text and visual. Most of the time it will be way easier for you to edit the visual section, right? Because visual, it's more like the classical view we're used to. Text, you got some coding involved in there. It's like most of the stuff here are what we call HTML. That's the web-based programming language, right? So most of the time you don't have to go to text. Just stay on visual here, edit what you need to edit. So to edit is just like a Word document, right? So you select what you want to edit, and you can make it bold, you can make it italic, you can change the color here. You see that there's some short code in WordPress, like for example this highlight here and this highlight tag, it's called tag, it's gonna highlight what's in the middle, right? And the results of this, you can access it through here. I'm gonna go to visit sites, and I'm going to go to the mission and vision. So the highlights, it's this, right? So it gives you this like style. There's different bunch of styles involved, right? I'm not gonna go through all of them. If you need to do something in particular, you just let me know and I'll make a tutorial. Here you can type text, of course, right? Like a regular Word document. The title could be, you can select the style of the title by going here. So H1, H2, H3, right? So here it's just bold letter, but if you want, you can transform this into heading 2, for instance. When you're done with doing this, you just click update here. I'm not gonna do that right now, but basically you just click update and it's gonna change the page you're in. Another stuff you may looking for is, like for example, if I go to the resource page, let's go there. Resources. When I click on edit here, I'm in visual mode. You'll see this, the HANA code insert. What it means, it's I've created this because the financial support section is present like throughout all the sites. You got like 5 or 6 pages showing the exact same thing. So instead of changing each page every time you need to do something on the financial support, you will just have to edit the HANA code insert. And you can find this here. Go to settings, where's this? Settings, HANA code insert. You click on this, and these are the bunch of codes that are used like several times on the sites. So this is HTML. We don't have the choice to see it in visual, but basically you can see what it looks like, right? There's the text here, so if you need to change some text in the financial support section, that's where you have to go. Alright, if you don't, like, if you are afraid of changing something, like, because you see some little coding here, if you're afraid of changing something that you don't want to touch, just give me a call. Basically, when you see coding like this, just don't touch it. Just change the text, okay, what you understand. So, for example, this, like proper English, just change this. Just change this, for example, but don't touch the stuff you don't understand, like the UL, the LI, stuff like this. Alright? Alright, so that's gonna be the end of the basic tutorial for editing pages in WordPress.